Hi, I'm Arash, and in this session we're going to continue our exercises to have practice it, to practice more complex exercises. So we could say that we have finished with our part design. And to start with it, we're going to sketch this one as our level 3 part design. And if you haven't liked our video, please do like it right now and leave a comment or subscribe us and hit that red bell so you can inform about our newest video, so you can watch it and get more new tutorials on your site to be viewed. So let's jump right into it. To start with, I want to draw this cylinder first as my center of origin. So I can start with radius of 25, 25, and for the other one I want it to be diameter of 32. So we pad it at 38 value. Next thing we want to do, we want to create this space for it. So we choose the plane and we hit the sketch to start a new sketch here. So first thing, I want to draw this line as this one and a line as this, and we want tangent lines here and a line here, a tangent arc here, and a line here. It must come right over here and goes inside and goes right here. I think that's finished here. So we are going to start this dimensioning. First one, you want to start from here. We want it to be 45, and I think the value in here, we must find this value from here to here. I cannot find it anywhere. This is 16 from here to here, and this is 88, so it will be 28 from here to here, and this one goes right until this horizontal line. This one is R12. This one also is R12. This one is vertical, and this one is R6. This one is vertical, so it should be 75. Why I cannot move it? Oh, this is because unwanted constraint which make here. We must delete that. and now it must be 75 because we have 150 here. We must make it 75. Another one here, this is 40, and this one, let's make it right. I make a construction line to be tangent to this curve, and I want to make it horizontal. So that's it. Anything else remains? Yeah. This one should be 10. And we have from here to here, we want it to be 60. And this must be 25. From here to here. And we have a fillet here in a size of 12. Yeah, that's it. So we mirror it without this axis because we want to use that, and it must have a 10 millimeter thickness. So next thing we want to do is to create this wall right here. So I click sketch, and I want to have these lines projected from our base, these lines also, and we want to add our own lines after that. This is right here and here, and there must be something right here and another one right here and this way. I think that's enough. So these two must be tangent. This should be 12 also. We want to have a 6 radius here, and this must be 3, and this should be vertical. No, we must eliminate that constraint, make it vertical, and make it 3. And also it should be we must eliminate this constraint, so it should be horizontal, and I think that's it. There must be something wrong with it. Yeah, that is it. It must be 10 millimeter here, and it has something wrong with it. Let's make it horizontal. It should be 6 here, and these two should be concentricity. must be 10 here. We must connect these two directly and not have any line between them. So maybe it's going to be alright. Yep, that's it. We are going to have these lines to be mirrored. And I want to deselect that. And I want to mirror that. Let's see that if it's a closed one. Yes, it is a closed one. And the height here, let me see, 25. 25 is the height here. So we got this. After that, we have to make this one. So we select that, we select sketch, and we are going to make a sketch for this. So we have a circle here which is aligned to the center origin, and the outside is 38 and inside is 20. Inside is 20 and outside is 38. Another thing is 66 from the origin. 66 from the center of these circles to the origin, and this one goes right here to here. And is there anything, any dimension more about this? No, I think there is not. There is no dimension about this in here. So let's make it like this. I want to make a line here, which one of them should be coincidence to it, and one of them should be coincidence to this, and also this should be tangent to this. We also, because we do not have any dimension of this one, we also want to have a mirror of that in the other direction. Yes, that's it. So we want to have to make it closed and eliminate this unwanted arc here. So we must have a 10 millimeter here, and we can have it mirrored. We can choose this path, choose mirror, and choose the plane, which was YZ plane. So another thing, we must add this, add this part to it. So we select that, we choose this to be project, we project this also, and let me see, can it be complements? No, it cannot, but we can isolate that and make it constraint to this, and then we can complement that, and we choose to make it 3 millimeter at this side and 13 millimeter on the other side because it is 16, and hit OK. And we want to mirror this one too. So that's it. We are finished with this exercise now. So we save it. Another exercise we want to start now is this one. This is a really good one. I think you're gonna be love it. So this has a lot of geometries, but don't worry, this is no hard sample. This is also a medium one. We can do it. We can do everything, uh, every design, every 3D modeling we must do, and we can do everything. So lesson 24, exercise 2. This is our part. So like the other ones, I select this middle part first. It is like this. It has a step here, 28 millimeter, 31 millimeter, and it's also had a 38 millimeter here and a 50 here. So the main thing is 28 and 38. This could be our 28 and this could be our 38. We pad it like 33.5. We must have a 50 and 38 here. So we have our 38 here. We add a 50 here. This is our 50, like this one. But 50 must come 33.5 minus 8.5, which will be 25. So it will be 25. And there is a 5 in here. So we select that and we choose 31 right here. And we make a pocket out of that by 5. So that's it. We have 4 and this is 18. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and 9 to 9 is half of that, and all of them is 80, and this is 4, and this 4 goes 5 inside, like this is 20, and this has an arc here of 40. So let's start with it. We must have an arc here. We must remember that. So this arc should be 14, and this must have a 20 distance here, and this line, this point should be 6. Yeah, that's it, that's enough. The other part is not needed to be specified. So 2 in mirror side is 4, and we can now make it circular pattern definition and choose it Z axis, and we want it to be complete and 80. So we have this part, we save it. Let's go to the other side of it, this parts of the file. So let's start with this, and let me choose this face, click sketch, and I think we must make it rotate because it is with the same direction here there, but if I wanted to do that in this way, it may cause us some problem, but yeah, we can do it in this way. So this is 38, and I must make a line here, and a line here, and a tangent one, and a line here, and a line over here, and right here. So this is a rough one, so we select that to be tangent to this, and also it must be 74, and this should be 37.5. 37.5. We should have a fillet here by 9, and this should be 9 also. This center also must be 22, and here we must have 43.5, so it's 43.5. What is this? This is 5, so we have 5 degree here, and this can be that too, but for more accurate angle we can make it like this, and this must be 35, so this should be a 35, and it will goes to this one, there should be a 4 here, R4, and there's nothing else remains. I think this is going to be a good base here. We want to make a circle here and delete the unwanted part of it. So this should be our base, and it will go down like 20.5, and this is 8.5, so it will go down like 4. So we want to have our wall here. So we select that, make a sketch here, and we can show our last sketch here too. So this is what we got here. I want all these walls, and also this wall. Not this one, this one. I project them. So I come out and I want to make a thickness for them like 4, and this is going to be up to plane to this plane. I want this to be continued in this way, so we select that and project this one. I also add a little bit to it. So these two are acting good. I want to continue this also to 5 maybe, and I want to cut those two right out of here by selecting this feature and selecting this. Yeah, I cut them. I want to make another line here to have this one, but before that I want to make a radius here of 4 and another 4 for this one, and also this one. So I want to add more, like I select sketch. I want to make a hatched line. This line has no specification at all, and it seems like it didn't reach the center of it. It sounds like it's coming for this one. So I make a line for it, and I also make one for here. So I want to make a circle here which is coincidence to them, and another circle here. This is coincidence also, and I want these lines and this line. I do not want the other side of it. So I just make a line to remove them. So this is what I want, and that's it. I want to make it thick and up to plane, to this plane. That is okay. So I want to make it complete, and the final one is make a 9 here, concentric to this, and the 9 over there, concentric to that one, and a bigger circle here, and a bigger circle over here. I want it to be up to display. I want this two to be cut through, so I select remove face. I think that's not working, so I choose to make a sketch here and cut it. So we must make some fillet here. This is one, this is another one, this is another one. We want a 4 here too. We want 2 4 here and here. So that's it. I think we're finished with this. Yep, we have done anything for this, and this is finished. This is our final part. So let's save it. Let's go to another one, like here. I think this is too much for this lesson. We're going to have this other exercise in another lesson called lesson 24. But please do like and subscribe and leave a comment for us. Thank you.